Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and opening Edge so you can add an extension right now. First, check settings about to confirm Edge is current because newer builds handle extensions more reliably. Once done, open the Extensions menu from the toolbar. This is where you'll manage everything. If you plan to use Chrome extensions, make sure to allow extensions from other stores in the Extensions page. This lets Edge accept more options without errors. Next, you'll locate and install the extension. You can search the Microsoft Edge add-on site or the Chrome Web Store, pick a trusted developer, and read ratings. After choosing, click Add to Edge or Add to Chrome if permitted, and Edge will show requested permissions. Read them. Permissions explain what the extension can access, which matters for security. Then confirm installation. Once installed, pin it to the toolbar or open its options to configure settings for immediate use. Finally, configure and validate the extension so it works how you need. Open its options or details from the Extensions menu to set preferences, sign in, or adjust site access. If an extension misbehaves, disable it temporarily to isolate conflicts, then re-enable one at a time. If problems persist, try resetting settings or test in an in-private window, with extensions off to see if Edge or another extension causes the issue. This quickly narrows down the cause so you can fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.